everybody to another episode of Crypto Moose. Moose is loose. What we're going to do is talk about some Meld. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, Mitchell Bouchard here. I am your Crypto and NFT advisor, investor, whatever you want to call it. Basically, I'm just like a lot of you. I love cryptocurrencies. I love fungible, non-fungible tokens. And for those of you that don't know, I also love Meld. Meld is a beautiful project. If they can pull it off, this is going to be a big one, right? So they are a lending and borrowing protocol on Cardano's blockchain. They're going to be giving access to a lot of Cardano assets, right? Including all the partnerships that we're going to talk about, but they're also opening up the gates for other layer ones as well. Like they have partnerships with Polygon, Ethereum, so on. So what we're going to do is we are going to go over a little bit of the 25 days of Meld, but more specifically, we're going to talk about this one partnership that I am abashed by, right? I'm amazed by this. I think this is a very, very, very big deal. Congrats to Meld and what they're pulling off. For those of you that don't know, they are doing this 25 days of Meld. So if you click here, you can get more information from their site. Their website is meld.com. But what I want to talk about is this specific partnership with Arculus. So we're happy to announce our partnership with this is Arculus, a leading cold storage wallet solution to offer even more unique features for our Meld debit card. So what does this mean? What are they talking about? This is a big deal. I'm pretty excited about this. Okay. So what they're talking about is their Meld debit card that they're going to have. So let's back things up a bit. If you don't know what Meld is, they're creating an app, okay, that you can hold your crypto assets. I'm talking your Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, your Meld tokens, okay? And it's going to be an all-in-one place where you can do lending and borrowing and earn a yield with your assets, okay? So you can literally become your own bank. And what they're going to do is they're going to be coming out with a Meld debit card that you can use to pay for things, all right? Now with this partnership, they are taking it to the next level where they are going to be making your debit card also a cold storage. So effectively, they're adding another layer of security to the card. This has never happened before. I think this is a big deal. Definitely comment down below if you think I'm crazy or if you think I'm on it. Because when I heard this made sense to me. So if you go to Arculus, they've had cold storage wallets for a while. I'm obsessed with cold storage. Here, I've got some wallets under my desk here. Shouldn't be saying that, but I've got some Trezors. I've got another Trezor. I've got a Ledger. I've got wallets. Now, for those of you that don't know, a hot wallet is where you can set up a wallet, but you have to recover your 12-word recovery seed. Now with the cold storage wallet, you do the same thing, but you also have a PIN. So for somebody to hack you, they would physically need your device and they would have to know your PIN in order to move funds away from your private keys. So this is going to be huge. The fact that they're adding a layer of security gives me a lot more confidence because I was already extremely bullish on Meld. This takes it to the next level. Okay, Meld is about a penny right now. We could probably check that out on CoinMarketCap. But Meld is a project that I'm very, very, very excited about. So let's take a look here. Yeah, we're at about 2 pennies here, okay? But this partnership can open up the floodgates for Meld, right? So again, with this partnership, users will be able to use the card for traditional banking services like, paying for your coffee, and have the option to turn their cards into a cold wallet and allowing them to buy, sell, swap, and secure crypto with an added layer of authentication and security. So that's really cool. That's what we need, right? the fact that they're designing an app, my first thought, honestly, was, are they going to be able to add enough security to this, right? Is this going to be an issue? So for those of you that don't know, Meld is building the Akamon bridge, which is effectively allowing you to have a way to bring in different blockchains into one stream, and that's what they're doing. And I have a good friend, Will, and he was telling me, man, they're going to make a lot of partnerships, and that's what they've been doing. So I have to tip my hat to Meld, because they are just pulling it off right now. Definitely comment down below what you believe. I've never bought a Arculus card. They look nice, right? They're basically a hardware wallet that is like in the size of a credit card. I think they look slick. It would be cool to have one. I don't need to own every wallet, but the Meld debit card I'm going to have. I am already a Diamond Hands holder. I got into their ISPO, so effectively what they did is they allowed you to delegate your ADA to a specific stake pool, and you were rewarded with the first supply of Meld. So I got this beautiful Diamond Hands. I think they're pretty sweet. Looks nice. So this is going to be something that you'll be able to use as well, just for different APY and different yield rewards. So definitely check out 25 Days of Meld. There's also another gentleman on YouTube, Dap Central. You can check him out. He's got tons of videos on the 25 Days of Meld. So when something drops, this is where you want to go. I received this information because I was watching Kopi Cafe. So I'm a huge fan of those guys there. So anyways, guys, definitely comment down below, like, comment, subscribe. You can also check out our other videos here on Crypto Moose. I've got other videos on what is Meld, talking about be your own bank. So please check out those other videos. Love having you here. Let me know if this excites you as much as it excites me. I think this is going to be basically the first true crypto banking system that a lot of you are going to want to use in the future. That is my prediction. It is now December 18th, 2022. I think Meld is going to go from a penny to $2 by the year 2025. I just believe that. So remember, it's not your keys, it's not your cheese.